Hey everybody, thanks for clicking on the video. I'm Rev with Rev Reaction, and we're just going to be going over some video clips that I've put together, and I'll be making some light commentary on it, and pretty much that's what this channel is going to be about, just chilling, lounge vibes. So go ahead and get a little snack, a little water, and we're going to watch a video just on anything and everything automotive related. So let's just straight get into it. This is our first video, so I'll see you all at the end. Bye.
So much torque, the chassis twisted coming off the line.
Oh my God!
Never knew what he meant when he said it in the movie, but damn!
Oh my God!
That's wild.
What did I just witness?
I love the guy's excitement, like the way the video starts. Let's watch.
So much torque, the
Just
chassis
begin.
twisted coming off the line.
Guys having a blast. Yeah, that's insane. And let's get into our next clip here.
Look at the level of repossession that's sitting here. You got a 2021 Corvette.
Damn, that's a nice color.
Repossession. Brand new BMW. 2021 repossession. 2022 Silverado repossession.
Damn, brand new cars are
These
getting
are
repoed.
Bank of America repossessions. Look at this. It's got 27,000 miles. It's a
That
brand
is
new Tahoe.
really low.
Let's look inside. The inside still smells new.
You know, every time I see people driving this car, it's only like 2 people maximum. Like, are people like, you know, really going as a unit like that together to, you know, justify the big ass tank?
Mint.
But
In
you
order
know,
to qualify for
people
these
like
cars,
it,
you gotta make 6-figure income.
buy it, right?
These people are getting their cars repossessed. These are people who care about their credit. This is not the Santander. This is not the Westlake repos. This is Bank of America. This is a 20.
What he's getting at is that, like, these are like the people with a better credit score typically. Obviously the nicer cars and all that. But he's just saying that usually you don't see that.
25
So
Honda.
people are
They
defaulting
gave up.
and just giving
They
up on the cars.
gave up. It's got 2,000 miles. This is a repossession. They didn't make their first payment. Another Corvette. This is brand
It
new.
has the red seats too.
Look
Oh.
at this Corvette. It's got 6,000 miles. You didn't even get to
Like,
enjoy
what-
it. You
like,
just
what happens
lost
at
it.
that point?
It's a fucking spaceship. Look, repoed. Repoed. Let's look inside.
Like, what happens at that point? Like people obviously buy the cars, I guess at auctions, right? Like insurance auctions. But it's like the margins, like you must not be making really that much, even if you do sell one, you know?
I ain't never seen one. I don't even know what this is.
Because everybody's just trying
It's
to
an electric boomer. It's got the butterfly
get out of
doors.
these type
This
of
was
cars
a repo.
if they're
These are high
getting
dollar
repoed like
earners.
this.
Look at this.
Damn, look at that interior. Oh my gosh. I don't know anything about BMW or anything like that, or German cars for that matter, but I always feel like, damn, that looks like a magazine picture. Like, look at that. Like the contours of the dash, like, it looks nice.
The economy is fucked.
I don't know
You
anything
ain't never
about
seen one
how...
of these. This is dope.
That
Look
one's
at
like
this.
electric or something, right?
For the first time, I'm worried about the auto industry. I've been
Partially
contemplating real hard and long about getting out of it. Business is getting worse. Cars have priced themselves out of the market. You know, you're gonna get a 2010 Corolla. You're gonna retail it for 8,000 or 9,000.
2010 Corolla for 9. It's like, damn, that car's been around, like on the road operating for years and it's still picking up that much money. Like, and that's what our next clip's gonna be, kind of like reinforcing what he's talking about.
Free for all pay miles at auction.
340K. What is it? It says 2018. It's a 2018. That's so much. Testament to like how reliable those Toyotas are, though. But damn, like it's still pulling
Final
money.
price 10,003.
And I feel like, I don't know if this is true, but I've heard from different sources that, you know, a white car typically has really good resale value,
$300.
like as opposed to a certain specific color, you know. But 10.3 for that many miles, that's like wild. Bars. It's like what do you do? Like, do you just clean it up and then sell it for, like, you got to make some money, so like, do you engine swap it? Like, do you just engine swap it, put low miles, and then, you know, charge more? I don't know if you make more money that way, but still insane. Kind of confirms what the guy was talking about, right? About used cars being expensive. We'll get into our next clip now.
Crawled under my Chevy 2500 ZR2 to replace the fuel filter today. This is what 15,000 miles look like on a 2024 Chevy 2500 ZR2 look like.
Oh my. A 2024 is rusting out like this. Like, no excuse. 15,000 miles, just not even broken in.
This is 15,000 miles in.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Very disappointed in. I had a Ram with 100,000 miles on it that I traded on this truck, and it looked nowhere near this bad.
That's wild. Like, you know, damn, that looks horrible. Oh my goodness. I'm looking at this part specifically, but like, wow. Like, you think when you buy a new vehicle, and you know what, like later on I'll show y'all like what this vehicle actually looks like, and it's like you would never expect something like that to be on the underside of it. So we'll just get into our next clip real quick.
Okay.
A lot of Corvettes in this video. I still like the blue color the most out of all of them so far. What is that, like a smoke gray? Oh, I took critical damage from that. So, I didn't even read the caption. This happened to my dad's new Corvette. His first day of owning it. His first day, like, dude, day one. Like, you made it. This has been a dream of his for a while now.
I think you might help us with travel.
Like, buddy, like the road is so narrow too. Like you're risking a lot. Hopefully the insurance paid him out pretty good, but that's gonna be a core memory for him and his family for a perpetually. I think that's how that works. Moving into our next clip here. This is wild. I'll tell you what it reminds me of. It's crazy. Like, what? Just like they have wheelie bars. Like, I know that once you start making so much torque, you need to have some sort of way of like making sure it doesn't flip back on you. It doesn't. It's just like raw. And people lose traction like on dry roads, and this guy's got it figured out, right? But you know what it reminds me of? Like, y'all ever play those arcade games that like Mr. Gaddy's or the Peter Pipers of the world, and like I forget what it's called. It's like a little paradise driving game, and it was awesome. It was awesome. But whenever you would double tap the gas pedal, like the car would do that same movement. So like I know when now it's gonna eat me inside not knowing what that game is called. So let's get into our next clip here. This is what's gonna happen if you miss them payments. You'd be dodging them calls. You can come looking for you, come lurking for you. Damn, bro, you should know better than that to park it right in the front for him. And it's a front wheel drive, so it's making his job easier for him. Damn, I feel for him though. But it's like you gotta expect it if you've been dodging the bank, you know? Oh, dude, I feel real bad. Oh my gosh, dude, he goes to his knees.
And big as hell.
He said he was fast. That guy makes some good content. Go ahead and check his other stuff out. Let's see what we got here. I know I got one more for you at least. At least. Oh yeah, I got one more for you. Oh! Imagine like just going to work, dude. Like you're just trying to get by, like, and you're just like, what are all these taxes for? Like, what are they for? Y'all ever think that? Like, let's say, like in my area, like we recently just got some water, like heavy rain that is, like out of nowhere, and obviously like it kind of flooded in certain spots, but like it was a big deal. Like like a lot of water came down a lot at once. Like I had to move my car like throughout my work shift in order to get like higher elevation, because like certain cars were like the water was going past the front bumper and stuff like that. So pretty wild. But anyways, I don't know what I was on about, but that was a fact. So we're going we're going to the next video. And now, hands down, my favorite video of the video.
My car is dead, so I'm gonna skateboard down this hill.
This one's a classic.
Just like that.
I had to put it in.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
His car's dead, so he's rolling down the hill.
Oh shoot, this is actually very dangerous.
Yes.
So there's definitely. Oh shit! I don't have to reach my door's open. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Oh my fucking god! Guys!
Try to do
Holy shit! You guys just saw that!
Oh my
Holy
goodness.
fucking shit! Guys, my bush light is gone. Oh!
Guys, my bush light is
Holy
gone.
shit!
The main concern.
Oh well, this car is screwed.
Oh
Thanks for
my
sticking
gosh.
around, guys.
Honda
Damn.
CRX.
Oh, that was
Just
dumb. That was the dumbest shit I've ever done.
thrashed.
Whew.
Hey, on the bright side, it looked like he got up from it. And yeah, on to the next clip.
Made
This
a
is-
post yesterday about the rust on my 2024 Chevrolet. This is a 2500 HD ZR2. It's a diesel. I had quite a few people trolling me saying it wasn't actually a new truck, that I had taken a video of an old truck, that you don't change the fuel filters on new trucks.
So that rusted out 2024 truck that we saw earlier, this is the truck. Like, you would never expect that. Like, look how nice the truck looks. Like,
Made a post yesterday about
look how
the
nice
rust.
that looks.
Quite a truck that I
Glistening.
had just comments about that I live
Damn.
in a salt state. I
And
do
then,
live in
like-
a salt state. I live in Wisconsin.
He's just like goes on in this video and kind of explains like that people were saying that it's not the same
this
truck.
is
So like,
an
anyways,
actual-
so he
as
literally
you
goes under
change
the
it
truck again
15,000 miles.
and like
spot right
you know
now.
shows proof,
What?
and that's the same spot where you're like kind of like, whoa, like that looks really bad. But that goes to
It's
show
the-
you know, like they just don't build them like they used to. Like they just don't. Like, so like honestly, like the Pontiac Grand Dams of the world will outlive like a lot of these new vehicles. Like, honestly, you know, you have a Pontiac, you see the Pontiac still existing out there, and there's cars that are just like quitting like at, you know, a little over 20k miles. That is insane. Like, people just going through cars like phones now. It's wild. Let's see here. I think that was my last clip. That was my last clip for you know, this video. So hopefully y'all stuck around, and if you all enjoyed the content, just go ahead and make a comment on the bottom if you saw something or want to talk about it, you know. And hopefully I'll see you all next time. Subscribe please if you like. If not, hopefully you have a good time next time you come by. Thanks.